Am I covered if another driver causes a rental car accident? Have you ever wondered what happens if you are involved in a rental car accident caused by another driver? It is a common concern, and understanding your coverage can make a big difference. When another driver is at fault in an accident while you are driving a rental car, the situation can get a bit complicated. Your coverage largely depends on the insurance policies involved and the fault of the accident. First, let's talk about liability coverage. This type of insurance is meant to cover damages and injuries that you cause to others. If another driver causes an accident while you are behind the wheel of a rental car, their liability insurance should cover the damages and medical costs for you and the rental vehicle. However, your personal auto insurance liability cover typically does not cover damages caused by another driver's fault. Now, what if the other driver damages the rental car? In that case, the responsible party's liability insurance should pay for the repairs or replacement of the rental vehicle. But what if that driver does not have enough insurance or none at all? This is where your own insurance policy comes into play. If you have collision coverage on your personal auto insurance, it may cover the damage to the rental car regardless of who is at fault, but this will be subject to your deductible. If you opted out of rental company damage waivers or supplemental insurance, you may need to rely on your own collision or comprehensive coverage. Without collision coverage or a loss damage waiver, you could be left paying for rental car damages out of your own pocket, even if another driver caused the accident. Additionally, some personal auto insurance policies include uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This can protect you if the at-fault driver lacks sufficient insurance. This coverage may extend to rental cars and can cover bodily injury and property damage up to the limits of your policy. Here are some practical steps to consider. Always check your personal auto insurance policy to see what coverage extends to rental vehicles. If your personal policy has low limits or excludes certain coverages, consider purchasing supplemental liability insurance or loss damage waivers from the rental company. In the event of an accident caused by another driver, it is important to report the incident to both your insurer and the rental company as soon as possible. To sum it up, if another driver causes a rental car accident, their liability insurance should ideally cover damages and injuries. Your personal auto insurance may provide extra protection through collision coverage or uninsured motorist coverage, but this depends on your specific policy and any additional rental coverage you may have purchased. Without adequate coverage, you could face unexpected expenses for repairs or medical costs.